What is up, everybody? Michael Gardiner here, back again with another daily upload. And in today's video, I'm going to show you my favorite way to find leads if you run a local marketing agency, meaning you are serving businesses that are not online but have a physical brick and mortar location. So before we get into it, go ahead and smash that like button as well as leave a subscription, as it really does help out the channel and it also makes my day. On today's video, we're going to be talking about D7L Lead Finder, which if you're looking for a scraping specific tool to find leads is the absolute best. I've been paying for this tool for over 2 years. I use it extensively for my cold email agency and I can't recommend it enough. So on this video, I'm gonna go ahead and show you some functionality and how this tool actually works. All right, so here we are in my D7L Lead Finder account. I've been paying for this for a bit over 2 years and I believe it's around $20 a month. Let me go ahead and actually check that. So D7L Lead Finder is $25 a month for the basic plan, which for mostly everybody watching this video, that's all you're gonna need. It gets you 10 searches a day, but a search honestly is quite a lot. So the amazing thing about this tool is it lets you plug in any keyword or a city and find businesses within that niche. For example, let's say you are going after solar related companies in, let's say, Jacksonville, Florida. So I could plug in solar companies in Jacksonville, Florida and click get leads. Now what's gonna happen is it's gonna go ahead and search through Google and a few other data sources and pull all of the leads possible in Jacksonville, Florida that have the keyword solar. Now you can get even more specific and use a Boolean search where you're doing search keywords to narrow down more or exclude businesses. But as for this example, I'm just gonna do solar in Jacksonville. So I'm gonna go ahead and come back at you guys once this search is finished, as it does take about 3 to 5 minutes normally to scrape the data. All right, so we are just about finished with the list and we can see all the goodies we're gonna get from it. So we are going to get a company name, phone, email address, website, LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, their Google Maps listing, and a few other things that you can pay for. However, for most people, it's not really gonna be necessary. Now, do I run cold email campaigns directly to this data? No, I do not, because this data is not cleaned. So I am looking for data that is fully cleaned, meaning I'm not looking for a info@companyname.com domain. I am looking for a name@companyname.com domain. But this is a great place to start. Rather than have your virtual assistant spend a bunch of time going through and finding all the businesses in a category in an area, D7L offers a great place to start, and then from there to go and find the owner or marketing executive, whoever you want to reach out to, their proper name as well as their proper email. So let me give you an example here. We can see we do have some proper names like Mary at Solar, but a lot of these will be like info. Like we see info at office info. All of these emails like this will not get you a high response rate because they're mainly guarded by the secretary and go right into garbage. However, you do get a massive list of all of the solar companies in an area, as well as other information like their social media and LinkedIn. So what I would then do is have a virtual assistant go through, find the owner or whoever you want to contact, their first name and their personal email address. And from here, this is one of the best tools to go and reach out to people. With the basic plan, you get 10 searches a day, which should be plenty. And I can tell you, I have scored many deals from D7L Lead Finder, and I can't recommend it enough. If you do want to sign up for D7L Lead Finder, there is a link in the description. It is an affiliate link. However, I have been using this for over 2 years before I ever mentioned my affiliate link. So if you do want to support the channel, you can go ahead and sign up with that link. And if you have any questions on D7L Lead Finder, feel free to leave them down in the comments. That is it for today's video. I hope you did enjoy this little trick on how to find leads for your local marketing agency. If you did find this useful, make sure to go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And that is it for today. I will be coming back at you tomorrow with the daily uploads.